With incredible, beautiful traditional performances here in Honiara, let's take a look at one of the captivating performances, which was the amazing flag dance. The flag dance is more than a performance. It is a tribute to our heritage, our struggles and our dreams for a brighter future. The Director of Tourism, Marita, shared with us the journey of this flag dance into independence celebrations.
Yeah, the idea of the flag dance, this is about 10 years ago, in fact, the flag that you look at was made in 2016. So that was exactly 10 years ago. First time I presented that flag was during the independence celebration of 2016. At the time, the flag was a whole one, complete flag. The size it is the same as it is, but a complete one. Then in 2017, we cut them up into 9 pieces, representing the 9 provinces. So symbolically, the 9 provinces make up Solomon Islands. So the flag represents Solomon Islands, and in the nine pieces reflecting now the 9 provinces. And we did present the flag as it is now, in 2017 during the farewell of Ramsey. That was the time we first presented the flag as it is, and we have been presenting it consecutively over the years along the independence celebrations. So it has become a symbol of independence and of our sovereignty as a country. When we started off, using now the CRC youths, they were the first, or the youths were engaged with them the flag, and now engage now the Wesley United Church. For the last 3 years, Wesley United Church have participate in this flag dance, and gradually we start getting in other youth groups too. So basically, all the youth church youths now are using. And then we combine it with the cultural dances. So the cultural dances, they put the flavor into it to represent the different provinces. So I think that the dance is all about Solomon Islands. The flag represents Solomon Islands. The dance is the diversity dance. So a little bit part of what I created that sort of like diversity dance. We call them also Solomon Islands dance, where all the dancers from the different provinces, they dance to one music. And what I used to do before, we used to teach low schools, secondary schools, music, not panpipe, as that's the common music of Solomon Islands. So I put that concept into the performance. It's my favorite concept. So every time we always like put on this diversity dance as part of whatever we producing to represent Solomon Islands, because I think that's the beauty of Solomon Islands.
Director Marita emphasizes the significance of the flag dance and what it stands for.
The key message is well reflected in the performance, where all these different, youths from different provinces coming together in the traditional costumes and merging together as one. When they started off with individual cultural groups from different provinces, and like they come from different India provinces. But at the end of the day, when they come together to perform with a flag, they're all mixed up, all the cultural dancers, they mixed up. They don't come like separately or individually, but they come also mixed up now. So that's the beauty of it, and that's the message behind this, is that despite we are diverse and even different, but we are all Solomon Islanders. We should, enjoy our togetherness in harmony, and live peacefully as a country, and that's the way it should be. And the only way that we can be able to move forward into the future is coming together and unifying as one people. There's always saying that if you divide, we fall. Divided, we fall. But together, united, we stand. So I think that's the main message here. It's about coming together. Let's strengthen the bond together, and I think we can be able to lift Solomon Islands to a new level, to new heights.
The flag held high through this diversity dance is a symbol not only of the past, but of the promise we carry into the future. A future built on hope, unity, and shared dreams. Let this flag dance remind us all to cherish our diverse cultures, unity, uphold our values, and continue building a nation we are proud to call home.